In this guide, I will show with you how to track your order in Argos platform. So friends, this is online shopping platform UK. If you want to track your order, go to Google, search for Argos. This is the keyword. You will see this page. Choose any products you that make a purchase or order. For example, I have this order or this product. Choose this product and then go to this option, track order. So friends, just I go to back track order this option, and then I will see this all details for your orders. Write your order number. This, for example, this is your order number, and then when you write your order number, write your this email address, last name, and billing postcode. For example, this is your billing postcode. After that, click view my order. From here, you can track and you can see your order details without any problem. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another videos. So any question down below in the comment. So guys, just go track order. When you go track order, submit your all details here.